and welcome to another McLego video. I'm really out early today, not feeling pretty good, but I had just to go out so early because the wind is it's really gusty and quite strong winds, and in the morning it's still kind of partially calm. I mean, the wind is still about 20 kilometers per hour now, with gusts up to 30 or even 40. It will be a little bit higher today during the day, so that's why I went out. And finally I got my Flik Wing, and I was able to Maiden my Flik Wing, this bad boy, flying with the 04 Pro. I'm using a Lipo setup, so you know you can build this with a 2S lithium ion, or even I think maybe even 3-cell would be a little bit heavy. The Flik Wing is actually made for Sub250. Mine is 230 on spot, with the 04 Pro setup, and I'm flying 3S 880 HV packs. I just flew now. I think it was about 9 minutes just for the first flight. We'll check the battery later, because I was, of course, trying 2-3 speed runs, flying pretty fast here. It's a field that I often use other planes, but always windy, and it was a good test, a good maiden. I was able to do the tune a little bit. Basically the standard was already good, but really I had to use the outside holes on the servos just to get enough throw and to get enough authority, and also use auto tune, and also I gave it a little bit more of rotation from the beginning on in the settings. But a really nice wing. It flies well, behaves well, and it's very slippery. When I flew from the back side to the front, I just cut the throttle, and it didn't basically lose speed quickly. It really still goes for a while, and that's cool for such a light wing. Normally light wings do lose a lot of energy quickly or have a lot of drag, but this is really slippery. I love it so far. Really fun. It also works well for me in tighter space, or just around these trees, but I cannot yet say how slow you really can go. We'll have to test at a little bit more proximity surroundings, but otherwise nice maiden. Landing was very easy. I used the CG right on the dots. I think it's recommended to fly them before a little bit in front, but I went just spot on, because I'm flying with an FC, and that basically should actually work normally. And it really flies nice. This doesn't stall, doesn't tip a wing. A mate of mine told me that his, I think, drop the wing could maybe happen, but mine just went straight on when I cut throttle and pulled up. So that's actually a good sign. But it may drop a wing if you have the CG different, or maybe also the balance is possible, or maybe also other drag, different alignments, antenna stuff, and so has everything can have an impact. I'm also using a GPS, a small one, an M10. Got 17 satellites here outside on this really cloudy day, and that's fine. Even so, the GPS is, let's say, 5 centimeters near the antennas of the 04. That's not an issue. Works wonderfully. Servos to me are good fit. So this is an awesome wing, and I will be flying this a lot more. But now enjoy the flight and have a wonderful Sunday. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.